motorcycles. And after finishing motorcycling, where I had 9 championships to my credit, I switched to cars, but for 4 years, where I was runner-up, the first runner-up in all the 4 years. I couldn't win the championship. And then I switched to a bit of racing on cars, and then thought, let me slow down and go on to Jeeps, and started off-roading in Jeeps. And it's been a great journey for me, even in the Jeeps. Managed to win the Rainforest Challenge, which is an international event in Goa in 2018. Yeah, you have to first of all chase your passion. So don't get discouraged by the first failure or something like that. And you have to train properly. Physically, you have to be very fit, and never overdo it. This is my ancestral home. It's now 119 years old. With a little bit of modification, it used to have very small rooms. We have changed it, taken off a few walls. This is where I keep my trophies. Very difficult to maintain, so I just gave them a place and left it there. You want to see the trophy which I won last year, Isuzu RFC. Yeah, this is my plantation Jeep which I use on a daily basis. It's also called the Mud Puppy, and it runs a Isuzu engine, which is a 1.8 litre fuel injected petrol, and it runs matched with the Isuzu Trooper gearbox, 4-wheel drive. And sometimes I take it to Bangalore, and the modern Jeep SUVs, they wonder how come this Jeep is going so fast. So when I stop at some tea stall or something, they come and ask me like, what engine is it? I said, no, it's a petrol engine. It's Isuzu petrol. It's got tremendous torque, so it hauls nearly 3 tons of material up slopes in my plantation. One day I was just sitting around on the, in fact I was in the estate, and I got a call from the Isuzu Adit, who said like, we're planning a trip to Thailand. Would you like to join us? It's a trip from the Isuzu guys. They want you to come and try out their 4x4 track out there. There's a permanent track, off-roading track called 4x4 land. And we were driving these Isuzu trucks which are available in India also. It was pretty exciting for me. So I said, okay, why not? Give it a shot.